Greetings, everybody. I need your help again. We have another feathered friend that we had to rescue from the jaws of our cat. Can you please help me identify this bird? It should be easy. You can see the spots, the red on its head. Um, it does have a wound that we're treating with colloidal silver because we intend on saving this one as the last one, uh, died on us. And I know they say that once a bird, if the cat breaks the bird's skin, then the bird is dead because of the cat's poison, the toxins. But we're treating this bird with colloidal silver. We failed last time miserably. So this time we've already treated the wound. We have it in the same cat carrier. Um, But I need you guys to identify this bird for me, please, as soon as possible so I know what it eats. It should be easy to find out. I mean, it's got a red head. Look at it. White spots, long beak. Please identify this bird for me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day.